When I came to Odisha, the mission was very clear. I wanted a quality-based management education institute. Though we had only one institution which was very known in the national level and internationally also, that is the XIMB, Xavier Institute of Management. But if you look at the demand and supply, then probably many students, they were deprived of getting a good business school education in the state of Odisha. And I was sure that Odisha can be a very good hub of education, especially the Bhubaneswar. So that was the mission which we took and started the management school, that is SEM School of Business Management, to have a high level quality business education delivery which would be at the pan India level, and to make this institution well known not only in Asian countries but also outside India. You know, one institution will reach the level of excellence with a lot of efforts and continuous quality improvement. The best of the best institutions all over the world have taken ages to become what they are today. Whether you take Harvard Business School or you take IIMs of India, all of them, they have excelled through a rigorous efforts being put in by all the stakeholders of the institution. When I look back today, I find that this last 7 years is quite exciting. It was quite stimulating, and we defined our goal and objective very clearly, and we put our all best efforts by taking the support and best wishes from all the stakeholders, including our students. And today, ASBM could able to reach to the level of excellence, and we are the 9th institution in the country to have the international accreditation of South Asian quality system. Proudly I can say that in Eastern India, only XLRI, XIMB are in that league of the quality institution of SACS. Not only that, we have also achieved the accreditation of National Board of Accreditation, that is by Government of India. 7 years, the ASBM has given more than 2,000 students as professionals to different industry. Not only that, we have created our own brand, and it has emerged as a top ranking business school in India. It has also could able to deliver the quality which was intending at the beginning. We could able to collaborate with foreign institutions, universities like St. Cloud State University, USA, California State University, San Bernardino, USA, North Carolina Central University, and also there are various institutions and industries, they have collaborated with ASBM. And today I feel that we have achieved substantial growth so far as quality journey is concerned.